WWE NXT uko imikino yarangiye. Quick recap on the results of WWE NXT and All Action. NXT North American Championship, Myles Borne defeated Saquon via pinfall to retain the title. Tag team match, Sin Legacy and Iki Prosper defeated Shining, Stark, Lorenzo, and Uriah from Birthright when Legacy pinned Starks. Single match, Wren, making her NXT debut, defeated Nikkita Lyons via pinfall following her Thunderstroke finisher. Single match, Kelani defeated Wren Sinclair via pinfall after Sinclair suffered a knee injury during the match. Main event, Shiloh defeated Rick Saint via pinfall. Other key moment of the event, Lola Vice, the NXT Women's Champion, was assisted by the return of Mr. Iguana from AAA during a segment involving Easy Them from the Culling. New arrivals, Tristan Angel, introduced as Mr. England, and Kam Hendrix made their debut after the North American Championship match, with Hendrix attacking Myles Borne. Tavio Hate blindsided NXT champion Tony D'Angelo, and the hooded figure revealed to be UK indie standout Will Cruz. Sin Legacy made a surprise return to assist Iki Prosper after Birthright had raid out Dorian Van Dukes backstage. Uku niko batsindanye. Myles Borne yatsinze Saquon Sugar, Shin Legacy afatanyije na Iki Prosper batsinda Shining, Lorenzo ndetse na Uriah O'Connors. Lizzy mu mukino we wa mbere yabashije guhita atsinda Nikkita Lyons. Kelani atsinda Wren Sinclair. Shiloh atsinda Rick Saint. Ibindi byabaye, Mr. Iguana ndetse na Lola Vice nabo bagaragaye. Shin Legacy aragaragara. Tony D'Angelo nawe yagaragaye. Tavio Hate nawe yagaragaye. Tristan Angel akaba nawe yigaragaje aza yiyita Mr. England, ndetse na Kam Hendrix nawe aragaragara. This fight took place during the event of WWE NXT. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, recommendation, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wakoze kubana nanjye, ibitekerezo by'umwunganizi wanjye muri comment, kandi subscribe urakoze, ugire ibihe byiza.